This is the Vegan Cuts Beauty Box. It's $22.95 a month. And it's the fan favorite. When I first subscribed, they gave me the option to choose between the May 2020 beauty box or the fan favorite box, and so I chose the fan favorite box. So when you open it up, it comes with this card. It just says fan favorite box. When you turn it around, it has a little coupon. The card doesn't come with the products or like the retail price, so I had to look that up myself. So that was unfortunate, but it's whatever. So the first product is this face oil, and it's by the brand Rosie. And it's an apricot oil. It says it delivers a rich source of essential nutrients to your skin, including vitamins A, C, E, and omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids. The result is a radiant, hydrated, and healthy complexion. It says to just massage a few drops onto damp, clean skin, AM and PM, and it's perfect for all skin types. And it's a sample size, and I looked it up, and I think this is a Pakistan brand, and so it's 1,200 RS, and I don't know what that is, so I googled it, and it converts to $15.89. So the next product is this facial toner, and it's by the brand 100 or 103 collection. I don't know what that is. It's an antioxidant facial toner, and it says balancing pH, pro vitamin 5, and it's vegan. So the instruction says, like, pretty much after cleaning your face, apply a moderate amount of facial toner gently all over your face in an upward motion, allow to dry, and follow with a facial serum. And this is a sample size. It's 1 ounce. And so when I looked this up, it retails for $9.99, but I guess the packaging is different. I guess they changed it, but that's what I found. The next product is this perfume, and it's in solid form. It's by the brand Glow for a Cause in the scent Wish. And it just smells really warm. I don't know how to describe the scent. It doesn't smell too bad. And so I looked this up, and it actually comes in a set. I couldn't find the single cell one, but the set retails for $42. So the next product is a sample size body lotion. It says scents, and I think it's by the brand William Rome. I don't know if it's William Rome or Scents is the brand. I don't know. So it's just a regular lotion. It smells like nothing. Like, it doesn't really have a scent or like a fragrant smell. And so I looked it up, and the full size retails for $29.99. So this next product is actually full size. It's a Brightening Eye Treatment by the brand Cosmetica Skincare. It has vitamin C and E and hyaluronic acid for instantly and bright, healthy eyes. So it just says to apply to the ring finger for gentlest pressure and pat around the eye area, targeting application around the orbital bone. Safe to use day and night for sensitive skin use every other night. So I looked it up, and the retail price is $12. The next product is full size. It's a cuticle oil by the brand Flora O Fauna, and it says longer and stronger nails. It says natural and nourishing oils protect the skin, improve nail growth, and most importantly, keep your manicure on fleek. The twist and click brush pen makes application easy at home or on the go. And the retail price is $13. So that is all in the Vegan Cuts Fan Favorite Beauty Box. It came with 2 full-size products, which was the cuticle oil and the eye treatment, and 4 sample-size products, so a total of 6 products. And the price for the 2 full-size products equal to $25, so it wasn't too bad for this beauty box that was $22.95.